Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Facebook session expired problem. Okay, let's start and follow my all step properly. Now go to your phone setting. Scroll down. Now click on apps. Search Facebook. Now click on storage. Now clear cache and data. Now go to your Play Store and check update Facebook. Search Facebook. Already update my Facebook app. Now restart your device. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.